English to Karbi. Say something. Ison bak ningje non. Keep speaking. Ningje bom non. Be ready. Chisik bom non. Sit straight. Ingni pakeng non. Stay here. Ladak do non. Look at me. Nepanang lang non. Bring water. Lang wan tha. Keep doing. Klembom non. Do slowly. Pajo pen klem non. Don't touch. Papuri. Sit together. Ingni rapet nang. I am working. Ne sai klembom. I wake up. Ne kiturlo. I went. Ne dam edlo. So early. Laan kiprap. Don't ask me. Nepanang arjuri. I don't know. Ne chini ne. Let the time pass. Apor papadam nang. It is useless to go there. Haladak dam tadam pakijoilo. How long will it take? Kwan apor CNG. Will take a lot of time. Mate apor en ujima. This one is yours. La abang ke nang lo. Let her speak. Alang liphan paningje non. Finish your homework. Nang lihem asai klem patang non. I am feeling sleepy. Neke ke mek ilo. I am unable to sleep. Ne mek jang un epin. Are you quite sure? Nang kroy pamelo ma. I am coring the affair. Ne theta bi ahu kiti. I am chopping the pineapple. Ne parogjang phong athe kelep. I am peeling the orange. Ne theso athe ahu kethek. Ask him what he wants. Arjutha alangli pisi kenang jine. Let's find out what's wrong. Langtha kupisi kechokche lo. Correct me if I am wrong. Ni chokche det pulote nang pachok donon. Your English is flawless. Nang English kaningge kechokche thang ta awe. Time is ripe. Apor ke melo. Thanks for watching. Chorolo nang kelang apot.